I'm about to randomly choose one of my subscribers to win a free wrap from me. But this guy that we chose was super secretive. He was so excited about the challenge that he let me design freely. But he wants it done in 24 hours. So first, I have to find the keys that he secretly stored in a storage unit building. Then I have to go ahead and design, print, and install all under 24 hours. Let's get started. So right now, I just received hundreds of messages waiting for this next giveaway for a full wrap. Let's try out this new app, see what it does right here. As you can see, it's sitting right here. All of these different people all around. And it's just gonna sit here and then just hover through each one of them and choose one of my subscribers that would like to get a free wrap. I'm gonna give them one thing. They're gonna choose the time limit, but in return, they gotta give me free range of design. Any color that I want, any style that I want. Let's choose and see. Oh, it's going too fast. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. Matt Moves. What kind of vehicle does he have? He got a car, a van, a truck, a bike? What? Let's go ahead and contact him and let's see what he has and see if he can drop it off to us in the next hour. Here's the thing though. I have to finish this wrap in 24 hours. If I don't finish it in 24 hours, then the wrap is free. Yeah, doesn't that sound familiar? But if I finish it in 24 hours, he just needs to bring one client. Let's see if we can get this done in this time. And if you want to get on to the next pre-wrap that we do have available, all you got to do is be one of our subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, you need to subscribe now. Click that subscribe button and make sure that you are clicking that notification bell button as well, because you may be the next YouTube subscriber that gets a free wrap from us. If you're not subscribed to us, then I suggest you do this now. Not only do we give out free wraps, but we also give out cash sometime or free perks along with. Follow us, subscribe, and you know to click that notification button. Let's go ahead and do this. I need to go ahead and get started. First off, I gotta find these damn keys, because now he's got me sending on a wild goose chase just to find out where these keys are, and that's cutting into my time. I didn't even get started on the design. I didn't even get the final yet. Woo, let's go. Mello, take a picture of me. Come on, let's do it. Take the picture. Good job. That's the person that's been doing all of my photos and videos. Oh, got another one. So, my client is a little weird. Sent me on a scavenger hunt, already dropped up the car to me, but he didn't give me the keys. He told me I had to come over here to the storage unit just to get the keys. Just to get some damn keys. He could have left the keys in the car and put it in the lockbox. But now I gotta go over here to the sketchy ass place right now and figure out where these keys are at. Or 50, 73. I think I'm going the wrong way. No, I'm not going down this. Nope. 80 again. Nope.
The light just cut on. Somebody walking this way? No. Where? That's it.
Up out of here. So, finally found the keys, ready to get started on this project. I gotta really figure out this design, and I got something that's a new tool that's gonna help me. It's really not a new tool, just to figure out the random designs that we could choose from. So, let's go ahead and do it. And let's see what we got on this one. Let's start with color combinations. Let's see. Wow, it gave me the gloss black accent. Okay, well, let's see. Which superhero do we need to choose for this wrap right here? I know it's a superhero, but we got between Iron Man, Spider-Man, the Hulk, and Deadpool. Let's see. I thought it was gonna give me the Hulk. It actually gave me Deadpool. Got a little small problem. I messed around and dropped the key. They're right in there, and I cannot get back into the shop to get this project started. Now I gotta call one of my team members to come and open this door for me. Did not put a spare key anywhere. Well, let's see how long this is gonna take. So, I've been sitting out here for about an hour and a half, and guess who decides to pull up? My guy. Cheers, guy. Yeah, man, I need you, man. Look, you're tripping. You're tripping already.
What, tripping? I might trip, but you fail.
Yeah, man, don't worry about that. Just can you give me the keys?
Man, I always want me to help you.
Thank you. Thank you. See what happens when people come through in the clutch.
Come on.
Man, I'm stuck on this design. I need to get it finished up, but I need to go ahead and take it to my star designer, Chris, over here in the Philippines. Let's see what he's gonna do with it. I know if I can't get it done, I know Chris has the direct skills on making sure this vision gets designed just how the client wants it. His skills are really deep. He knows exactly what to do and how to make it a good image and put it on a vehicle correctly. This is one of the reasons why you gotta make your team more expandable. You can't do everything. And this guy right here is the key to one of my business opportunities on making this image become a reality. Ooh, look at how that looks. Amazing. But the only hard part is we gotta get this printed still. Let me get this back.
So, ready to get started on this project, but it's gotta get printed. It's gotta get shipped. I got a trick though. Instead of me getting it shipped, I got a powerful team that's gonna go ahead and print everything for me and have this ready. As a matter of fact, they've already started ever since I got the design approved. So, come on, let's get it started. Let's go.
So as you can see, we're chugging along, trying to knock out this car and wrap this whole thing in the custom design and make sure that it's correct. But hold up, we had some small complications because certain things was not lining up when we was trying to do it. And as you can see, we was trying to make sure we peeled off some of that transfer tape so that way it made it a little bit easier to work with because it was a little stiff. But now as you can see, we was chugging along, making sure that all of the smaller parts are done correctly so that way when this whole thing is fully complete, I don't have to worry about it coming back for any peel backs or bubble ups. The cool thing is, as we began to custom design this, we noticed a few things that really helped out with making sure that this vehicle was aligned and also making sure the print was aligned. Now,
in this video is sponsored by Mindset Podcast. If you have not heard about these guys, I'm not going to give too much emphasis on it because they are for real about this. They are not just a typical podcast that's going to give you all the typical news, the clickbait. No, they speak really in depth, talk about some real artists, talk about the good, the bad, the ugly, the crazy, the shit that people don't really expect. And they even give roses out on this one right here. Shout out to everybody else that's been giving out roses, but they don't stop. They've been consistent, they've been going strong. You have to watch their video. I'm even in one of those. Trust me, this podcast is for real. Take a look at one clip.
The way it's gonna be for a long time. It's just gonna only evolve from here. There's gonna be other avenues.
He gonna be barred up though.
Yeah, super barred up.
You better watch it. Mindset Podcast. Trust me on this one. So almost finished up. Team got everything going, put everything back together. Got to wipe it down now. Almost messed up on one part. It was almost too detrimental to redo because if I had to redo it, that means I got to get it reprinted and then laminated. Glad we didn't go through that. What we are going to do is make sure that we have our special guest that came in, our very special winner, subscriber, person that won this wrap for their TRX is about to pull up. Only problem is I've been texting them and calling them all day. I think that was the message, but they wasn't answering. Hopefully he'll pull up. It's been very secretive the whole time that we've been doing this, 24 hours, but seems longer. And if you want to join in or get in any of these free wraps, all you have to do is be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, here's your chance. Become a subscriber today, and we'll make sure that you will have that opportunity to possibly win a free wrap. Just let us know what type of car you got. We don't even need to really care to know. All you got to do is just win. What are you doing? It's no time to relax. Can't take a break. It's due today. It's due today. Let's go. You don't get back up there. Come on, let's go. We gotta work. Come on. You don't want to work, do you? Oh my gosh. Okay, good. Well, you will be here in about 30 minutes. Good. Oh, wait. Oh, come on. What's up, man? You can't come sneaking in trying to think back. What's up? I'm going. So now, okay, so you won competition, but I'm going to let you know right now, it's not what you really wanted. It's better. Let's go see.
So now you see the finished look of this vehicle. Man, now this vehicle actually matches the wrap. But does the wrap match the vehicle? You tell me, put it in the comments below. Like and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna keep putting out more and more different types of wraps that is gonna just make it raise the bar each and every time. If you wanna come and join us and get in on this, all you gotta do is subscribe. We look for you there.